Welcome back to Beauty Unlocked. Did you know that your skin glow, hair strength, and even your energy levels depend on tiny superheroes inside your body vitamins? Yes. Whether it's banishing acne, slowing down aging, or boosting immunity, vitamins play a magical role. In today's video, we are breaking down all the essential vitamins, what they do for your skin, your body, and how you can naturally get them every day. I'll also share which vitamin deficiency makes you age faster without even realizing it. Vitamin A, the skin repairer. Skin benefits, speeds up cell turnover, smooth youthful skin. Prevents acne by reducing excess oil. Fights pigmentation and dark spots. Body benefits, strengthens eyesight, boosts immunity, supports healthy growth and reproduction. Sources: carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, fish liver oil. Vitamin B1, thiamine, the energy booster, skin benefits. Improves blood circulation, giving skin a natural rosy glow. Fights stress-related breakouts, body benefits, converts food into energy, supports healthy brain and nervous system function. Sources: whole grains, sunflower seeds, peas. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, the glow vitamin. Skin benefits, helps heal cracked lips and dry skin, reduces skin inflammation and redness. Body benefits, aids in energy production, supports healthy vision. Sources: almonds, mushrooms, eggs, yogurt. Vitamin B3, niacin, the skin barrier protector. Skin benefits: strengthens skin barrier, reduces dryness, improves uneven skin tone and dullness. Body benefits: improves digestion and metabolism, lowers cholesterol. Sources: chicken, peanuts, brown rice, tuna. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, the acne fighter. Skin benefits, reduces acne by balancing oil production, speeds up wound healing. Body benefits, helps produce hormones and red blood cells, improves stress management. Sources: avocados, broccoli, eggs, whole grains. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, the hormonal balance. Skin benefits, prevents hormonal acne, keeps skin clear and smooth. Body benefits, supports mood regulation, reduces PMS symptoms. Sources: bananas, chickpeas, fish, potatoes. Vitamin B7, biotin, the beauty vitamin. Skin benefits, prevents dryness, flackiness, and rashes, adds glow to skin. Body benefits, strengthens hair and nails, supports metabolism of fats and carbs. Sources: nuts, seeds, eggs, salmon, spinach. Vitamin B9, folate, the DNA builder. Skin benefits, promotes healthy cell growth, youthful skin, fights pigmentation and dullness. Body benefits, essential for pregnancy health, prevents anemia. Sources: leafy greens, beans, lentils, citrus fruits. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, the red glow. Skin benefits, gives skin a healthy, rosy glow, reduces hyperpigmentation. Body benefits, boosts red blood cell production, strengthens nervous system. Sources: meat, dairy, eggs, fortified cereals. Vitamin C, the collagen booster, skin benefits, brightens skin tone, boosts collagen, firmer skin, fewer wrinkles, reduces dark spots and acne scars. Body benefits, strengthens immunity, speeds up wound healing. Sources: oranges, strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, skin benefits, reduces inflammation and acne, improves skin barrier and hydration. Body benefits, strengthens bones and teeth, supports immunity and mood regulation. Sources: sunlight, mushrooms, fatty fish, fortified milk. Vitamin E, the skin shield. Skin benefits, protects from UV damage, deeply moisturizes skin, slows down premature aging. Body benefits, strengthens immunity, prevents oxidative stress. Sources: almonds, sunflower seeds, olive oil. Vitamin K, the healer. Skin benefits, reduces dark circles under eyes, speeds up healing of scars, stretch marks, and bruises. Body benefits, supports blood clotting, strengthens bones. Sources: kale, broccoli, spinach, cabbage. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to Beauty Unlocked.